Hey everyone, it's Thursday, January 7th. Today you are going to continue working on your outline. Yesterday I went through a slideshow of what order you should complete each part of your outline in. So make sure that you are following that order. You can find that slideshow on yesterday's agenda slide. To make your outline, you can click here and make a copy of it so that you can just fill that out. We'll be using this outline to create your paper, and then later we'll go back and edit it so that you can use it for your speaking notes as well. Your outline is due Monday at 11:59 p.m. Tomorrow, Friday, is a work day, so it's just a day for you to catch up on whatever you need to catch up on. You can work on missing assignments, you can work on any revisions that you want to do, or you can read if you're all caught up. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.